What's up, YouTube? I'm back at y'all with another video. Right now we got that Lil Uzi Vert burst. You know what I'm saying? Real talk about it. Produced by Zaytoven. Bro, last time Zaytoven made a track with Migos called Birds, that shit had the streets lit on phone. That shit was lit, like, on the real. I'm ready to hear this shit. I'm ready to hear Zaytigi cook up this track. And Uzi go. You might not go.
Zaytoven.
He went. I told y'all niggas. Hold on. Before we get into this, did y'all analyze this? Y'all analyze that artwork like that, bro? Did y'all analyze that artwork? Y'all see this shit's got Migos, Dolph, Juicy, Sosa, you know, OJ the Juice Man, Uzi, of course. You know, who's this? Jug Man, you know. These niggas got Hood Rich Paulo, Thugger, motherfucker. Shit crazy, bro. This shit is crazy. Trappin' made it happen. Like, is this a tape? Let me know in the comments. Is this a tape, bro? Am I out of tune? Am I not in tune? Is this a tape that dropped? Let me know.
Birdman like Steiner, Birdman like Larry. Shoot the three, then swerve. Birdman like Steiner, Birdman like Larry. Shoot the three, then swerve. Only did her once. I might bless you, but I won't text you. I might next you. I don't want no more. I want less you. I won't press you. I won't press you. Girl, you swear that you on. You know I can flex too. Don't gotta impress you. I can fit you in my schedule. These girls keep calling my phone. Somebody gave her my number. My girl, she bad to the bone. That booty bitch, yeah, like a Hummer. You in the kitchen and you whipping them babies. Birdman like Steiner.
Bro, Uzi just said some hard shit. Like, nigga said he hit in my fat. I can't make no time. Like, I gotta check my schedule.
Birdman like Larry. Shoot the three, then swerve.
Woo. This shit hard, bro. Uzi saying some hard shit.
Birdman like Steiner, Birdman like Larry. Shoot the three, then swerve.
Yeah, Birdman like Sander.
Birdman like Steiner, Birdman like Larry. Shoot the three, then swerve. Yeah, it costs a bunch. Yeah, she love me so much. Yeah, diamonds they hit like a bus. Yeah, knock if you buck. Yeah, girl, you was a duck. Yeah, girl, you was a buff. Yeah, girl, you was a buff. Driving my car like a truck. Got that little semi so tough. Yeah, my niggas all in the cut. You only see me, but it's a bunch of us. Boy, I got offered a bunch. Yeah, mercy. 30K if a nigga really wanna get touched. Hey, stay with my pockets on stuff. Swear that my pockets gon' bust. Boy, I swear this ain't enough. Boy, I swear this ain't enough. Remember them girls ain't your love. Now they wanna give me hugs. A little more to them hugs. It's player pimp shit in my blood.
This shit hard, bro. He'd say Hard on Thoughts movement, man. I guess academics really did start a movement, man. Hard on Thoughts, like. Men can be thoughts too, to any women who might watch my videos. Men can be thoughts too. You know, academics started the Hard on Thoughts movement, you know. I guess we hard on thoughts nowadays. Tough day.
Yeah.
Who that? Really hard on thoughts. Can't get my number.
Yeah. Birdman like Steiner, Birdman like Larry. Shoot the three, then swerve. Birdman like Steiner, Birdman like Larry. Shoot the three, then swerve.
Shit hard, bro. Oh damn, Zay was You hear Zay T? Zay got to cook it. This shit smack, bro. He telling y'all niggas, like, this for all y'all niggas out there who think y'all in love and getting simped. This for all y'all Rob Kardashian lookalike ass niggas. Oh, Rob Kardashian looking ass. You don't want to look like him. You don't want to look like him. You know what I'm saying? I looked at my calendar. I can't find time for you. I'm sorry, baby. You know, y'all gotta get hard on these thoughts, man. Academics trying to tell y'all. Uzi trying to tell y'all. I'm trying to tell y'all. Hard on thoughts movement is strong, man. It's strong. And that goes for females too. Like, y'all be hard on these male thoughts, you know. Let me know. Do y'all think men could be whores? Did y'all come here for my opinion? Y'all care? Females, let me know too. Let me see a female get in the comments. Let me know. But yeah, man. Thanks for supporting, you know, sharing the content, letting y'all friends know. I be getting y'all messages on Snapchat, Twitter. I be getting it, man. On Snapchat, that's really what I be on. I don't really use the rest, but I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, man. But until then, take care. Like Drake said.